Hi, this is Saul from DSI. You are watching to my weekly blog. If you follow us on the social media or visiting the website, you should know that our company provides an extensive range of the solutions in the biomaterials field. However, it could be one drawback of having such a large line of products. Some really good and innovation product may stay in the shadow, being relatively unknown to the broad audience. Today, I want to speak about such product, which is Zenoss Bone Ring Block. It allows vertical and horizontal augmentation and is applicable for practically any indication, including sinus lift.
DSI Zenoss Ring is a sterilized graft of bovine origin cut into the shape of a ring. Compared with the conventional bone block technique, applying DSI Zenoss Ring is beneficial for both the surgeon and the patient. It significantly simplifies the procedure and reduces chair time and treatment costs. The cancellous bone structure and the porosity of this bone ring allows fast absorption of blood and fast supply to the surgical site with vital cells. It can be applied in a single tooth gap, edentulous space, a vertical augmentation, three-dimensional defect, extraction sites, and treatment of periimplantitis with severe bone loss can be made. In addition, the bone ring technique can be used for sinus floor elevation. The ring height is 10 mm. The length of the implant chosen should be sufficiently long so that the implant is situated at least 3 mm deep in the residual bone. DSI Zenoss Ring dramatically shortens overall treatment time and reduces complexity by allowing to perform bone augmentation and immediate implant placement in a single visit.